Welcome to quiz. Total questions, 20. You have 10 seconds for each question. You can pause the video if you need more time. Type your score honestly. Question number 1. Option A is correct. Question number 2. Option B is correct. Question number 3. Option C is correct. Question number 4. Option A is correct. Question number 5. Option C is correct. Question number 6. Option A is correct. Question number 7. Option C is correct. Question number 8. Option A is correct. Question number 9. Option B is correct. Question number 10. Option A is correct. Question number 11. Option B is correct. Question number 12. Option C is correct. Question number 13. Option C is correct. Question number 14. Option A is correct. Question number 15. Option B is correct. Question number 16. Option A is correct. Question number 17. Option C is correct. Question number 18. Option A is correct. Question number 19. Option B is correct. Question number 20. Option C is correct.